Hello class, in this video tutorial I will show you how to troubleshoot some of the problem installing the PfSense. Okay, so let me start with the PfSense here, right? So if you notice that in the network, I have a net in my first adapter. The second adapter is internal lab and the name is internet lab. Make sure that, because sometimes this one has two, be sure you use the name that is consistent with your Kali or other VMs, okay? If not, then it will not work, because I have an issue before that apparently the name is inconsistent. Basically, here I put the internal, the iNet, but on the other one I put internet lab, so they cannot talk to each other. So here I just gonna leave it as internal lab. So I have a net and then internal lab, and then the third one, no, I think that's about it, right? So I have the net and then the internal lab, okay, attached to internal networks. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on this one, which is I already did. So here I have the example of my PfSense running, right? The IP address of this one is 192.168.1.1/24. This is my LAN, and the WAN is DHCP 10.2.10.0.2.15, okay, /24. So this is my WAN address to get out to the internet, all right? And the PfSense that we use is 2.7, right? 2.7. This is the community edition, so the free version one, okay? All right. So let me verify here under PfSense. Go to the device and network, right? I have two of that. So I think I already mentioned this to you before. Also here, let's verify again. Net is connected and internal network is all connected, okay? So here I'm gonna minimize that, and then let me double check the, let me go to the Kali, right? In the Kali, let me go to Kali. In the Kali, on the network setting, I put this, okay, I disable the adapter 1 and adapter 2 because in adapter 1 I used to put this as a net, and then the adapter I put it as a host only adapter, and then now on the third one I put internal network, attached to internal network. This is what I mentioned about the internal lab. So make sure the name is consistent, the same as the PfSense, all right? Otherwise it will not work. I just want to verify one more thing. This is the IP, this is the MAC address, okay? I write it down. The last two, the last 4 digit is 8A and 9A, all right? 8A and 9A, okay? So when I turn on the Kali Linux, I can just type here ifconfig, right? ifconfig and verify the address. Notice that, let me see, clear IP link, right? So I have here, where is this? This is up, right? The link is up, but let me put the ifconfig. So here I notice that I have iNet 192.168.1.2, okay? I put this IP address manually, by the way, right? You can put this as a DHCP, okay? So let me show it to you here on the network setting, right? Not on there, here. Under network manager, right? Connection, I got 100. No, actually not. Let me see. This is I got 100. Okay, let me see here. What did I get here? 1.2. Okay, this one I put it as a manual actually. So here I'm gonna go to connection information. I don't know why they put get 100. I think I need to be consistent here. Edit, internal network, right? Make sure you choose the device correctly that connect to the MAC address and the IP setting here. I put this as automatic, but this is manual. So I'm going to delete this, I think. So that way I'm going to be consistent. However, I don't think I can delete it right now. So let me see here. Yeah, delete this. So, otherwise, student get confused. Either I use the net, either I use as a D8, either I assign as a DHCP or a manual IP address. Notice that now I just assign as a DHCP. So that means that the Kali will get the address from a DHCP server. All right. So now let me see if I can if config I need to disable this. I think I just better restart this. Let me restart this, okay? Because I put this as a DHCP. I'm gonna close this. Let me restart this. Hopefully it pick up the IP address from the DHCP server. Notice now the IP address is 192.168.1.100, right? So now it's inconsistent with that, right? 100, okay? So I just want to make sure that it is consistent with that. So that's how you troubleshoot that, right? Because if you put DHCP and then you assign IP address manually, the VM gonna get confused, okay? I believe I have a documentation here. So if any one of you are installing this PfSense for the first time, I put the documentation. You can also go to the GUI. The GUI is this one. Yeah. The GUI interface, you can go to 192.168.1.1. The username and password is admin and the password is PfSense. So you can experiment the GUI setup if you like. But I just leave everything to default, right? Maybe in the future, once you get familiar with the tools, you can explore more, right? For the DNS, make sure, since we set up the IP address on the Kali as a DHCP, they pick up DNS IP address automatically, which is 192.168.1.1. Okay, so just leave it everything as default and it should works. If you have any questions, please contact our lab assistant. His name is Esteban Soidio or Mario Ramirez or Reno Cantu, and they will be able to assist you. Again, please be patient if this is the first time you work on this, right? I just want to verify this. The MAC address and the IP address. Okay, the GUI interface, you can go here. I think I mentioned to you 192.168.1.1, right? So you can put admin and PfSense, right? You can also go to the outside network, which is yahoo.com, all right? So everything's work properly. Thank you for watching, and again, thank you for Esteban also for helping and providing technical support in this video lab setup. Have a great day, and see you in the next video. Bye.